Amazing healthy foods to help boost your metabolism. Are you trying to burn more calories? If yes, then boosting your body's metabolism is your best bet. Metabolism is the body's way of burning calories. And the higher the calories you burn, the easier it gets to lose weight. Although genetics has a major role to play in your ability to burn calories, most health experts agree that there are ways to support our metabolic health by making some lifestyle changes. One known way to improve your metabolic rate is by eating healthy foods. 1. Chili peppers. One way to boost your metabolism rate is by adding chili pepper to your diet. Chili pepper contains a chemical known as capsaicin that helps to burn calories. In a recent study concerning the effect of capsaicin on the body, capsaicin was shown to burn about 50 extra calories in the body. This makes it one of the best ways to boost metabolism for weight loss. 2. Protein-rich foods. Protein-rich foods like eggs, legumes, meat, and fish undergo an energy-burning process. Where these foods, once eaten, require your body to use up energy to digest them. These protein-rich foods help to increase your rate of metabolism during digestion. However, when you try to lose weight, they also reduce the rate of metabolism by helping your body keep its muscle mass. 3. Tempeh. This food contains a high amount of protein and fat. When eaten, it promotes satiety, as well as boosting your metabolism rate. Tempeh contains probiotics which are highly beneficial for the health of your gut. Once it is included in your diet, it can help you burn more calories. Recent studies have even shown that people who take meals containing probiotics or take probiotic supplements tend to losing weight than others. 4. Tea. Several pieces of research prove that a combination of caffeine and catechins often found in tea can help optimize your metabolic rate. In fact, green and oolong teas can improve your metabolism by 4 to 10%, helping you burn up to 100 calories per day. Amazing, right? 5. Acid cider vinegar, ACV. Taking a few teaspoons of ACV is another healthy way to boost your metabolism. Several types of research on vinegar's role in animals show that vinegar plays a special role in increasing the number of calories burned for energy. ACV also plays a role in the loss of weight by giving you a satiable feeling. 6. Avocado. This green sweet goodness contains healthy mono and polyunsaturated fat that promotes satiety. Additionally, avocado is made up of anti-inflammatory properties which relatively interfere with metabolism. This makes it perfect for improving metabolism. 7. Water. Lastly, water boosts your metabolism temporarily by about 24 to 30%. Apart from the fact that water helps quench thirst, it could help you lose some weight. Staying hydrated helps to stimulate the production of heat, especially in cold weather. Drinking water also offers numerous benefits aside from quenching thirst. Strive to stay hydrated. 8. Seaweed. Seaweeds are made up of iodine and a mineral essential for the production of thyroid hormone, which helps in regulating the body's metabolic rate. Hence, by taking a tangible portion of seaweed constantly, you can improve your metabolism rate as well as satisfy your iodine needs. Typically, metabolism is a complex subject for many. For those who have a sluggish metabolic rate, a slight change in your diet can do wonders in your body's metabolic rate. Food plays a major role in boosting your metabolic rate. This is why we came up with these healthy foods above. By adding these healthy foods to your daily diet, you are one step closer to boosting your body's metabolism.